Nestled thoughtfully into the Tramuntana mountains of Mallorca, these off-the-grid structures, designed for dwelling and cooking, seamlessly blend into the natural environment with walls crafted from locally sourced dry stacked rock. Despite their discreet presence, their enchanting images have surfaced globally, featured in esteemed publications like the New York Times, Architectural Digest, Kinfolk, and Open House. The allure of these tiny stone houses, harmoniously integrated into nature, taps into nostalgic childhood memories, fairy tale landscapes, and the appeal of spiritual retreats. Guided by self-imposed rules, no cutting olive trees, no moving rocks, ask and Mars architectural dogma paradoxically sparked imaginative creativity and unexpected solutions. Notably, a boulder's toe becomes an integral part of the living space, eschewing the conventional approach of cutting away. Unlike other architectural interventions, such as the assertive Frey House 2, this integration is subtle and endearing, akin to a pet quietly occupying a corner. The strategic placement of the purple house housing the kitchen and restroom was dictated by the existence of a tool shed, while the positioning of the pink house required meticulous hillside exploration. Perched in the hills of Mallorca, they evoke a sense of humanity delicately balanced on the slender crust of a planet, within the narrow confines of the atmosphere, a reminder of the fragility of our existence. These structures suggest that our moments on Earth should be tender and provisional, yet they still beautifully express the richness of our human energies and joys.